हाय एवरीवन, आज हम आपके लिए लाए हैं 20 डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। चंद मिनट लगाकर ये सेंटेंसेस आप हमारे साथ सीखिए और आज से ही इंग्लिश बोलने की प्रैक्टिस शुरू कीजिए। दोस्तों, यूँ ही बआसानी इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए हमारे चैनल इब्राहिम टीवी को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल नोटिफिकेशन के बटन को भी प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आपको हमारी मज़ीद वीडियोज़ की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे। तो चलिए दोस्तों, अपना आज का लेसन शुरू करते हैं। डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड डे टू यू सर, गुड डे टू यू सर। He is still not well, he is still not well. Well done, keep it up, well done, keep it up. I will call you later, I will call you later. I will catch you soon, I will catch you soon. Please give me your hand, please give me your hand. Get out of my sight, get out of my sight. I did not understand, I did not understand. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? I am sorry, I am sorry. I am feeling tired today, I am feeling tired today. It's none of your business, it's none of your business. I don't know, I don't know. We both like each other, we both like each other. Come quickly, come quickly. Talk to me, talk to you later, talk to you later. Thank you very much, thank you very much. What is your problem? What is your problem? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting too. What is going on? What is going on? What are your likes and dislikes? What are your likes and dislikes? Sorry for the inconvenience. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Will you please help me with this? Will you please help me with this? This is not a joke. This is not a joke. Stop kidding. Stop kidding. What is happening here? What is happening here? Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Did you get my point? Did you get my point? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? How old are you? How old are you? Get ready to go to school. Get ready to go to school. I will try my level best. I will try my level best. I am very pleased to meet you. I am very pleased to meet you. This is not fair. This is not fair. What are you doing today? What are you doing today? Please say something. Please say something. I will come again. I will come again. What would you like to have? What would you like to have? Thank you for inviting us. Thank you for inviting us. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Thank you for the advice. Thank you for the advice. Many happy returns of the day. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. I wish you a happy married life. I wish you a happy married life. I am on my way. I am on my way. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Is everything all right? It's everything all right. Hope to see you next time. Hope to see you next time. So my dear friends, it is it for today. I hope आपने बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा इस वीडियो से. Inshallah we'll be talking in next video. Take care. Bye for now.